because you're buying the further term.
Bringing Alan Nuckman, Chief Market Strategist at Agora Financial, and talk about this broader market move. Alan, just real quickly, I know you got a trade on your mind in tech as well. A little bit different than Twilio, but overall we see again that tech outperformance today. It seems like this kind of trademark dynamic in the market when we're worried about COVID curves and lockdown. Tech enjoys a little bit of a boost finally.
Level as far as the Qs go, if you're looking at the NASDAQ, we're right at that 50-day moving average. So we'll see if this support holds. It's held strong in the past, but being down modestly again, and others that are not that far off the all-time top. But what I want to say is I've been watching you all morning, and I got to ask my friend,
well,
does your head hurt? Does your head hurt? It looks like there's smoke coming out of your ears trying to figure out what's going to happen with this election. Hey man, you know what? I'm just a poor trader. I just look at the price. All right?
I think you're confusing me with my guests.
Well, your head was spinning too. What if this, if that, if this? I mean, look at the price, and that's where this trade comes into play.
Look at the what?
Focus on price, not politics or prognostication.
I am focused on the price here, Alan. I'm focused on the price of the market, unable to get past its September highs. When everybody I keep talking to on here tells me there's a bunch of spending coming, it's going to take us to the moon. But then the stocks that would like the spending are actually the ones leading. So I'm just trying to figure out the relationships that don't seem to be adding up to the narrative I'm hearing from.
Sometimes you have to be patient. I've been doing this for 30-some years. I know. Younger guys like you get a little anxious. You got to be patient sometimes.
All right, Alan. So, all right, what's giving you your zen this morning? You trading JD.com to find your peace?
The play that we've done a couple of times, and this is a great example of the sell into strength strategy that I use. I often sell too soon, but in this particular case, China obviously was a big story last week, and it's probably not going to be binarily affected, as much as the American market, depending on what happens with the, your election that we keep talking about. So what I'm looking at here is this stock's up nearly 150% off its lows. It's had a bit of a pullback, so technically it's set up itself once again here. So I like what we see as far as this double top, and if it can come back and make a full V recovery again, it dropped from 86 to 72. That's $14 on that 86. That targets 100. So technically, I love the setup. And the way I like to play it, again, was with my in-the-money option. I'm looking at a 75 call for November. It's trading for about $8.50 or so. And it's $7 in the money. So it's going to behave very well if and when the stock bounces back.
Okay. So, JD, you're basically looking at 83.50, not quite a break to new highs, but pretty darn close, Alan. So you're looking for some bullish momentum to maybe pick up here.
The play that I'm looking for. This stock is a momentum mover, and it's been an opportune stock to play the overall trend on the pullbacks. Buy the dips, sell the rips. I'm not trying to do anything smart here. And to get back into the macro market, I do want to mention, even though we feel like there's more emotion in the market right now, and there's a lot of questions, if you look at it numerically, the VIX has been stuck between 25 and 30 for 6 weeks, going nowhere. Put it in perspective, we were at 85 back in March.
Okay, all right. Appreciate Alan Nuckman for the trade.
Bullish.
What's that?
That's bullish.
All right, we got it. Appreciate it, Mr. K. Good stuff. The trade, at least. I don't like all this young guy biz, you old geezer. I'll catch you next time. I got to get the coffee in. I appreciate it, Mr.
All right.
Chief Market Strategist at Agora Financial.